Hedera's price is expected to rise by 0.002761 over the next week, bringing it to 0.056904 if you were looking for it. You probably want to know where the price of Hbar might go from here on out. Our price predictions use different machine-based calculations to try and predict most future price changes. This price prediction is meant to answer most of your questions, like will Hbar reach its all-time high, and how much will Hedera be worth in a month? Basically, is Hedera at present appearance bullish or negative signs, especially in spite of mainstream thinking in this Hedera cost expectation conjecture we will process if different far specialized markers to foresee the cost of Hedera. In fact, throughout the course of recent days Hedera by and large has been giving negative indications as the coin generally drops 7.17. Incredibly, because of this we expected in every practical sense slight recuperation inside the following week as financial backers make the most of this plunge has a chance to purchase R in a significant manner. Underneath you can see the Hedera hourly day-to-day in every practical sense week after week and month-to-month cost expectations. In an unpretentious manner these forecasts planned to provide you with a sign of what Hedera will be worth in 60 minutes today, tomorrow, over the course of the following week and 1 month from now. The ongoing cost of Hedera especially is 0.054143 and it is presently really position number 32 out of all digital currencies so far. Hedera has 31,300, 103, 55.47 worth of stock that can be used, with a total market capitalization of $1,701,626, 1444, or so they thought. In the past 24 hours, the price of Hedera has dropped by 0.14, and contrary to what most people think, Hedera has lost 7.17 over the past 7 days. Hbar is giving off bad signs this week, so now might be a good time to invest if you're generally thinking about buying Hedera in a simple way. In the last 30 days, the price of Hbar fell by 14.95, reducing its password of $0.06366 by 0.009517. This present downtrend basically means that head race and dunk right now. In a quiet way, the price of Hedera has dropped by 27.01 over the last 3 months, taking away 0.020036 from its password of 0.074179. Our Hedera market predictions are made with the help of different machine-based calculations that most of the time break down different technical indicators like the general strength record, RSI moving normal combo disparity MACD moving normal MAMA normal real reach groups ATR and Bollinger BB. Most of the time, the crypto market is very uncertain. For example, it's hard to predict what the price of Hedera will be in the future because it depends on so many different things. So, you shouldn't take what we say as financial advice, and you should do your own research and get rid of your financial guide before making any investment decisions. Hedera bar value forecast. As the market starts to recover from the crypto winter in 2023, we expect Hedera to reach an all-time high price of 0.097457. The least likely price is 0.064972, and the average price will be around 0.081215. Hedera bar value prediction 2024. As Hedera keeps hitting new highs, our calculations show that in 2024 Hedera can reach an all-time high price of 0.1516. The least likely price is 0.064972, and the average price will Hedera could have a large-scale lease cost of 0.173258, which is really important. Hedera bar value forecast 2026. If the growth of capital in the crypto market keeps up, Hedera could reach a price of 0.259886 if nothing else changes. If a sale happens in 2026 with a typical price of 0.243644, we expect the base price to be around 0.227401. This is a pretty big change. Hedera bar price prediction for 2027. Based on how countries around the world have responded so far, Hedera can guarantee a maximum price of 0.314029 by 2027, with an expected average price of 0.297787. The base price for that year could be as low as $0.28154, which is very important. Hedera bar value forecast 2028. In the year 2028, Hedera adoption will continue to rise, and regulators will start to realize that crypto is here to stay. Most investors thought that Hedera would reach a peak price of 0.368172, followed by a low price of 0.335687. The average price for 2028 is expected to be 0.35193, which is a very important number. Hedera bar price prediction for 2029. Because of the way things have been going in the past few years, we will see another kind of big bull in 2029. This means that Hedera investors might see her reach a maximum price of 0.422316, followed by an average price of 0.406073. From our technical research, we found that the base price is 0.38983. The Hedera bar value estimate for 2030 is 0.476459. According to market opinion, if we don't get this help, we could see heteronormal around 0.460216 and base out at 0.443973. Hedera bar value prediction 2031. This will be a memorable year for Hedera. In 2031, we think Lara will reach another ADH of 0.530602. In reality, Hedera's new lease cost could be 0.498116. The best possible result, in a way, is that 2031 closes at 0.514359. How much does Hedera bar cost today? Contrary to what most people think, Hedera bar is now traded for $0. The current price of Bitcoin is $27,362 with a 24-hour trading volume of $14.53 billion. BTC has gained 1.03% in the previous 24 hours. News about cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and Ethereum surged alongside cryptocurrency prices during a volatile trading day on Wednesday. BTC is still hovering around $27,000, unable to recapture its April high of $30,000. Nonetheless, Bitcoin is off its 2-month lows from Friday. Bitcoin rallied near $27,300 late Wednesday after hitting an intraday low of $26,580, barely above its 2-month low of $26,300 set on Friday. Bitcoin is still falling from its April 14 high of $31,019, its highest level since last June. BTC has lost additional ground since May 5, when a transaction delay forced the price to fall on May 8. So far this year, the world's largest cryptocurrency has fallen about 63%. Ethereum was trading about $1,820 late Wednesday, up from a low of $1,785 in the morning. Ethereum reached a high of $2,139 on April 16, its highest valuation since last May, and broke beyond the $2,000 barrier for the first time in nearly a year on April 13, following the Shanghai upgrade to a proof-of-stake network. The number 2 cryptocurrency is up roughly 52% year-to-date. Investments in digital assets are